Swali langu ni mbona unapiga kelele sahi?
Maybe somebody who's teaching the young one.
Mbona unapiga kelele sahi bwana?
It's about problem to my side. It's about problem to my brain.
What's wrong with you?
I don't have any problem. But the problem is my own brain.
And why are you making noise?
Noising is about problem to my own capacity.
Enyewe kweli pombe sio supu.
Supu is but